Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue north on US Highway 1 at mile 142. Here, US-1 is the line between Palmetto Estates on the left and the village of Palmetto Bay on the right. Palmetto Estates is an unincorporated census-designated place that had 13,498 residents at the 2020 census, while Palmetto Bay had 24,439 residents at the 2020 count. In this stretch, US-1 goes by South Dixie Highway and within Palmetto Bay also carries the honorary name Palmetto Bay Boulevard between Southwest 184th Street and Southwest 136th Street. Keep an eye out for the long run of auto dealerships plus a parade of familiar grocers. Plenty of Publix stores, a Winn-Dixie here and there, and at least one Aldi along the corridor. As we approach Southwest 152nd Street, the South Dade Transitway comes fully into view on the left. We get a clear look at one of the upgraded BRT stations, enclosed with a vault-like canopy, air-conditioned vestibule, level boarding for accessibility, center platform loading, security cameras, bright lighting, Wi-Fi, and real-time arrival displays. Crossing Southwest 152nd, US-1 becomes the dividing line between Kendall on the left and Palmetto Bay on the right. Kendall is a large unincorporated area of Miami-Dade. By the 2019 to 2023 American Community Survey, it had an estimated population of 78,527. From here north, the Transitway continues to parallel US-1 with additional stations at major cross streets. At Southwest 136th Street, another BRT station comes into view on the left. North of this point, US-1 remains the Kendall boundary on the west and now borders the village of Pinecrest on the east, where the highway also carries the local co-designation Pinecrest Parkway. Pinecrest incorporated on March 12, 1996 and had 18,388 residents at the 2020 census. It's known for heavy tree canopy, large residential lots, and community parks like Pinecrest Gardens a bit off the highway. The BRT build-out here includes new stations at both Southwest 136th Street and Southwest 104th Street, so you see the platforms and canopies recur as we continue. Traffic starts to stack up through the car dealer row and palm-lined medians as we close in on Southwest 104th Street. Signals are long here and it takes multiple cycles to clear the intersection. We'll wrap this segment at mile 146.3 as we finally get across Southwest 104th Street. Thanks for watching. If you see the Hype This Video option on YouTube, tapping it helps more viewers discover 504 road trips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.